Hey folks, we are maximizing green energy.
Wait. What is green energy?
Green energy or renewable energy does not generate from fossil fuels, unlike traditional energy. This energy comes from renewable sources like sunlight, wind, tides, geothermal, ocean waves, etc.
Do you know? Green energy causes negligible pollution in its generation when compared to energy generated from fossil fuels. Coal-based energy emits 950 grams CO2 per kilowatt-hour, whereas solar energy emits 150 grams CO2 per kilowatt-hour. Wind energy emits 22 grams CO2 per kilowatt-hour. Green energy is the need of the hour to prevent the global temperature rise and eventually decrease the impact of climate change. India generates 51.6% of its total electricity from coal. India had imported 25.3% of total non-coking coal for electricity in 2020 to 2021, which costs around 76,447 crores. Indian households consume 24% of the total electricity generated in the country annually. Furthermore, energy demand will increase by 35% from now to 2030. Therefore, an increase in the use of coal is inevitable, due to which pollution will also increase. Just think, when the majority of the households start to generate their green electricity, their electricity bills, carbon dioxide emissions, and coal imports of the country will be significantly reduced. Indian houses can prevent 240.2 million tons of CO2 from going into the environment using green energy. This change will decrease the percentage of electricity-related CO2 emissions of Indian households in total CO2 emissions of the country from 11.8% to 1.8%. With this, people, the country, and the environment will be happier.
So what sources of renewable or green energy can we use in our home?
Let's show you the annual electricity consumption and expenditure with and without solar panels.
These results are unbelievable.
It is the impact of the solar rebate, which is given by the electricity distribution companies or discoms. So now you know, solar panels do many good things for you. In return, solar panels demand their cleaning from you for generating electricity at their maximum efficiency. You are unaware of the harm that bird droppings cause to your solar panels. Bird droppings create hotspots on panels during sunny hours. If bird droppings remain on solar panels for a long time, these hotspots can cause permanent damage to solar panels. And the sad fact, cleaning bird droppings is the hardest part of the whole cleaning activity.
Now you do not even need to go on the rooftop for cleaning. We made the cleaning activity easiest for you. Also, we timely clean your solar panels. That is why we said, maximizing green energy, at the beginning. Wanna know how we did that? Let's take you through the story of our product. Come along. Inspiration to build this product came from a childhood memory of cleaning dirty solar panels with my dad. As a child, I always wanted to go up with him and help him, but due to space constraints, and no wall railings around, it had space enough for one grown-up to barely stand and do the job, which obviously wasn't that effective, as you couldn't reach all the corners standing at one place. All of this makes cleaning task risky. Based on our research, also, and
the power loss of the solar panel system depends on the cleaning pattern followed.
To overcome all these problems, we give you Solar Companion. Benefits of Solar Companion: no worry for cleaning of panels. High returns on investment. No water wastage. Increased life of solar panels. Maximum output from solar panels. Fits with all kinds of solar panel systems.
Now observe the annual electricity consumption and expenditure after installing the solar companion on the system. Now you know, by installing the solar companion on your solar panels, you are saving water, electricity, effort, time, money. Were you backing off from installing solar panel system? Well, cleaning is no more a reason.